India vs South Africa 2025 first ODI match. Match details. Playing 11. Date 30 November 2025. Time 1:30 PM IST. Venue JSC International Stadium Complex, Ranchi. Team India final playing 11. Number 1 Rohit Sharma, right hand batsman and captain. Number 2 Suman Gill, right hand batsman. Number 3 Virat Kohli, right hand batsman. Number 4 Suresh Arya, right hand batsman. Number 5 K. Rahul, right hand batsman and wicketkeeper. Number 6 Hardik Pandya, right hand batsman and all-rounder. Number 7 Akshar Patel, left arm all-rounder. Number 8 Ravindra Jadeja, left arm spinner. Number 9 Jasmeet Bumrah, right hand fast bowler. Number 10 Mohammad Siraj, right hand fast bowler. Number 11 Mohammad Shamim, right hand fast bowler. Dear friends, we will match